Hello everyone! Today I received a CBR650 brake disc that was repaired by a rider. This brake disc is severely deformed. First, let's take a look at his original appearance. I originally suggested that the driver should replace it, but car owners have no choice but to save money. Today, Jenik will show you the repair process. First of all, the first step. Just mark the serious areas first. Then put it on this flat iron block and hit it. Severe areas should be smoothed first. It's cool while beating. This brake room is really too serious, so it's a bit more troublesome. After a long time of hard work, just take a look. This brake room has been almost restored. Fortunately, the master's skills are good enough. Otherwise, the brake disc won't work. This way, the brake disc will gradually take shape. Finally, let's take a look at the completed restoration. Although not 100%, but it can reach 99%. Thanks for watching.